All right, so welcome back. Now in this video I'm going to be sharing with you over 200 hours of study compressively expressed in this video. Okay, so I'm going to be dropping a strategy that is beginner friendly, that can help anyone grow their account in whichever way they see fit. If only, and I repeat, if only you will keep to my advice. Always follow the strategy, always follow what I have documented in this video. It's a simple 4-hour trading strategy, single candle, that can help you transform your life. You don't have to be in the market for so long. You don't have to understand the entire process of technical analysis. I have done the work and I've put in my time to help you as a beginner to grow your account. Now, professionals, experts, they do this. The only difference between you and them is the information they have and their understanding of the forex space, because you also need understanding. But if you follow these rules, if you follow the steps that I follow in this video, I promise you it will help you skyrocket your account, grow your account to any portion, any size that you wish it to be. Now, I don't want this video to be too long. I don't want it to be too bogus that it bores you out. Okay, that's the list of what I want to achieve in this space. So I'm going to be sharing with you the concept of time and price when it comes to trading the forex market. Now, I'll be sharing with you my screen so that you understand what my intentions are for you. And if you're joining us for the first time, please do well to hit the likes and subscribe button so that YouTube can help recommend my videos. Now, if you've been following me for some time now, you understand what I mean by that. Anyways, let's jump right into the video. Now, when you come to the chart, you will see something like this. Now I'm going to be sharing with you the time. Now when it comes to time, look at the time. I've marked out the high and low 4-hour candle here, the 4-hour candle here, the high and low of this 4-hour candle, and this is the 1 a.m. candle. This is the 1 a.m. candle. You can pretty much do this, but this particular strategy works on 1 a.m., 5 a.m. and the 9 a.m. candle. Obviously, you have to stay in the market to observe how this price action plays out. Okay, so in this video, all you have to do is mark out the high and the low of the 4-hour candle, 1 a.m. 4-hour candle. Now you can go ahead and test all these things I've shared in this video, and you will be blown away by the results you will get. So you mark out the 1 a.m. and the high and the low. Then you draw this box that I've drawn here, the closing price of this candle to the low of the candle. Okay, what we want to do is see price trade into this range. Sorry about it, my network is really disturbing. So all we want to do is see price coming like this, trade into this range. You can do whatever it wants to do, but doesn't go past this. I will also share with you strategies you can use to trade this type of thing, this type of market price action. Okay, it does this, then give you a change of character like this. All right, then you wait for the failure swing, which is a bearish engulfing candle. Now you will see it play out in this space. Now it will give you this. You can now enter your trade. Either you wait for it to break this line or some way, because with time you understand how this price action plays out. Now you either wait for it to give you this change of character, all right, and the failure swing. You can enter your trade from that position. Either from here, keep your stop loss just above this candle right here. Target a a 2R or 2.5, whichever one you choose, and that becomes your take profit. Are you with me? So let's see how it plays out in the real space. Okay, let me get this off my chart. Now in the same bullish scenario, I'll be showing you the same thing that happens in the bullish scenario. Now mark it out like this. Go over to either the 1 minute or the 3 minute time frame. The 1 minute or the 3 minute time frame. This is because we are trading a micro time. We are trading on the micro time. So we want to see price action on the micro time, but I like to take my entry in the 3 minute time frame. Why? Because it is a safe time between the 5 minutes and the 1 minute, which is the lower time frame. Okay, so I just click on the 3 minute time frame and wait for it to load up. Okay, to load up. Let me bring this down. Okay, now remember, this is a bearish market. It's been falling and falling. So what we're gonna do is see price fail to continue to go high, and we'll take our trade from the failure swing. Okay, take our trade from the failure swing. Now let me play out price action. Now price action continues. Okay, and it keeps making, you see it's finding it difficult. It breaks this high, then we want to see it break this low. Now it has taken this high too. Okay, so let's stop here. It took this high, it took liquidity high here, and also grab this trend line liquidity. Now I'm not talking about liquidity in this video. What we want to see is a failure swing. If it, okay, we'll just wait, observe the market, see what it does. Now this right here is a failure swing. This right here is a failure swing. Look how it grabbed this low. Break of structure, change of market character. It tapped into an order block right here. Although you can also use this as a breaker block. For beginners, you have to go watch out some videos which I'll be making in the future about some of these concepts. Okay, the breaker block, the order block, fair value gaps, and everything you need to get settled in the forex space. But this is all you need to know. The failure swing. Now this is a low that couldn't drive this market up. It failed to continue, and now it came back to this fair value gap inside here. Don't know if you can see. If you can, let me zoom it in so that you can see it. Now look at this pin bar. Okay, some people might wait for this pin bar to be inverted. All right, so you mark out this. Look at this fair value gap right here, the bearish fair value gap. Once it is respected, now you enter your trade right here. Enter your trade right here. Oh, sorry about it. Now the moving average you are seeing there is the 20 moving average. The 20 moving average. I pretty much put this as a confluence to help also in knowing where to put your stop loss as a beginner. Most times I don't really look at this moving average, but you can put it as a confluence to help you put your stop loss. All right, to help you put your stop loss after a high, immediate high has been made, because following the market structure, you want to see the highs and lows being respected on a market that is continuing on the trend. Okay, so let's play out the price action. Plays out like this, and give it some time, and voila, our take profit has been hit. You can pretty much do this continuously on any candle that you want on the forex space. This is for a continuation market. Let's say you want to trade a reversal. All right, let's say you want to trade a reversal. I'll show you how it works. Alright, so now in this video, this is how you can trade the reversal. Also look at this. This is a 5 a.m. candle. Alright, this is a 5 a.m. candle. The same concept, the same everything. What you have to do is look at how price behaves down here. Note, this is the closing price, this is the low of the candle, and this is the high of the candle right here. All we have to do is go over to our lower time frame, click on the 3 minutes. Yes, lower time frame. Let's observe. Market has been busy falling. And the truth of the truth is, market cannot keep falling and falling just like a knife. It breathes in and it breathes out. That is what makes the market dynamic. So when we look at this price action, and we know that at some point, even though we are not trading in the trend, we are trying to catch that reversal. Okay, we are catching that reversal. This is where you can trade reversals. Okay, now let's look at price action on this time. Now market did what? Market came, took the low like this and changed character. But some people who will not enter, for a beginner, don't enter by this time. Now it comes down into that space. Look at it. It comes back into that range like this. Remember, it's been falling, break of structure, change in market structure, or structural market change, whatever language you understand it by. Now this is a fair value gap right here. This is a fair value gap right here. You can pretty much enter your trade on the confirmation of a bullish candle, bullish engulfing candle. All right, now this is your entry right here. Bullish engulfing candle which comes into your range. You get, so you can enter a long position right here. You see how this everything is aligning. Keep your stop loss just below like this. You have to give it some breathing room. Remember, this is a 3 minute time frame, so the stop loss might not be more than 15 pips. Okay, 10 to 15 pips. And please use proper risk management, please, so that you don't come to my video and be like, oh, that the strategy is rubbish. Please, I wouldn't entertain such. I'm just sharing with you knowledge that will help you in this space. Okay, so mark out 2R or 2.5, whichever one you choose, 2R or 2.5. But I like to take 2.5. Okay, so play out the price action just like so. Okay, so play out price action, and market immediately started moving. Okay, so let me speed it up a bit. Right, this is, I think there was news on this day. And market did what? Market hit our TP in less than a microsecond, even though there was news. Because market understands this language, it always works all the time. It always works. So this is a strategy, and I hope you understand, and I hope you go and backtest this, and see you on the next one.